Hi, I'm David Lloyd from TPAS Cymru, and I lead on our work to do with Scrutiny, and that involves training, consultancy work and advice. And I just want to share a couple of things to do with importance around planning for Scrutiny, to really get the most out of a Scrutiny review, to really do it well, to do it efficiently, and really get value for money and end result. So 2 things to think about when you're planning your review. Number 1, really think about what it is you're going to look at. Choose a service, it could be repairs for example, but really focus on what is it about that service you need to look at, what elements of it. And there's 4 things you can think about. Quality of the service, so what's that service like now? Are tenants happy with it? Does it provide a good quality or not? That's what you could look at. You might also want to think around the value for money aspect of that service. Does it provide value for money? Are costs too high? Or is it efficient or inefficient? Are we spending too much time on things? Is there a different way of delivering that service at a cheaper cost? So think about that in your review. An important one really to think about as well is that service fair and open and accessible to everyone? Think about your tenant profile. You might have people who engage digitally, people on low incomes, people using different languages. Think about, can they equally access those services as well? And also think about, the service might be great now, but think about a future-proof element of the service. Will it get better? Will it get worse? Is it sustainable? Can it be delivered at the same price in the future? And will the service look as great in future as well? Secondly, you thought about your elements of the service which you're looking for. Now think about where you're going to get your evidence from. It's important that scrutiny is evidence-based, not just people's opinion. So thinking around the different sources of evidence. And you can think of it as a triangle where you can get your evidence from. From tenants, directly from tenants. They receive the service, they'll tell you what it's like. That can be done through things like tenant inspectors, mystery shoppers, focus groups or surveys. So that's one source of evidence. 2, from your landlord's own data. Your landlord will churn out lots of different data. It does. Lots of evidence, lots of key performance information. Have a look at that. What can that tell you as well? And thirdly, always useful to get some external data. That could be benchmarking information, how other landlords are doing it, what their performance is like, what their costs are like, or also good practice from out there in the sector. So there you go, 2 things to think about when planning your scrutiny review to get the most out of it.